Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to find ledgers in the Vyapar app. First, open your Vyapar application and ensure you are on the main dashboard. This is your central hub for all business activities. From here, you'll easily spot the Reports section, which is key to accessing your financial data. Tapping on Reports will reveal various options and will specifically look for the Ledger Report to view detailed accounts. Once you've tapped on Reports, you'll see a list of different financial summaries. Scroll down a bit until you find the Ledger Report category. This section is designed to give you a clear view of individual accounts. You can then select the specific ledger you want to examine, whether it's for a customer, supplier, or another account type. It's a straightforward process to get to the information you need. After selecting a ledger, you'll see a list of transactions. To refine your view, use the date filters at the top. You can choose a custom range or preset options like this month. If you're looking for a specific transaction, the search bar is incredibly helpful. You can also sort the entries by date, amount, or transaction type to organize the data in a way that makes the most sense to you. When viewing a ledger, pay attention to the details of each entry. You'll see the transaction date, a brief description, and the corresponding amount. The app clearly distinguishes between debit and credit entries, helping you understand the flow of money. Most importantly, the running balance updates with each transaction, providing an accurate, real-time overview of the account status. This makes tracking your finances very efficient.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.